Today's video is sponsored by the Six-Fingered Guy. Open your clip in the Fusion page, and add a merge node after. Bring a duplicate node in empty space, connect your clip to this, and drag it to the left viewer. Increase the copies to 6, set the size slider around 2.5, and change the apply mode to geometric. You can change the angle slider if you want to. Add a blur node after, and increase the blur slider. Guess what is coming next? Add a soft glow node. Play around with the glow size and the threshold sliders. Connect it to the merge node as a foreground. As you can see, this doesn't make any sense now, it looks ugly. Select the merge node, and change the apply mode to linear dodge. Now that you have the setup ready, you can go to the duplicate node, and adjust the center position, size, and angle sliders, to find out what works best in your case. This is a unique burn effect based on each clip, so you will never get the same thing. If you want some creative effects and transitions, buy my pack and make me a millionaire.